Good evening, children. So, let us proceed with the making of national movement. Children, today we will study of Khilafat agitation and the non-cooperation movement. Actually, children, in 1920, the British, they imposed a treaty on the Turkish Sultan, Caliph. Okay, you can read in the first point, who is also known as Khalifa. So people, they were furious about this, as they had been about Jallianwala massacre, which we discussed in the last video. Indian Muslims children, they were actually keen, or they wanted that Khalifa, the Sultan of Turkey, should be allowed to retain control over Muslim sacred places. So the leaders of the Khilafat agitation, please underline in your book, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, they wish to start a full-fledged non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji supported this. He asked Congress to campaign against the wrong done in Punjab, that is Jallianwala massacre, and Khilafat. Okay. So this non-cooperation movement, children, it demanded for Swaraj. And by 1921-22, it became widespread. Thousands of students, they left government controlled schools and colleges. Lawyers like Motilal Nehru, C. Rajagopalachari, they all gave up their practices. Many of them, they surrendered the British titles. People, they lit public bonfire of foreign cloth, boycott of the foreign cloth. Okay. And because of this import of foreign cloth, it fell in 1920 and 22. There was a, like, in the whole nation, there was a kind of revolt. Okay. In many cases, children, people resisted British rule non-violently. Like, they followed Gandhiji's method of non-violence. But in some other places, there were groups who interpreted their own manner, and they protested in ways that were not accordance with Gandhiji's methods. Okay, like in Kheda, children, Gujarat, Patidar peasants, they organized a non-violent campaign against the raised high land revenue. In Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh, the tribals and poor peasants, they had a number of forest satyagraha, sometimes sending their cattle into forest without paying the grazing fee. They were actually protesting because the British, they had restricted their use of forest resources, and they believed that Gandhiji would get their taxes reduced, and these forest regulations will very soon be abolished. Peasants in some of the forest villages, they said Swaraj, and they believed that very soon Gandhi Raj was about to be established. Okay, then in Sindh, which is now in present Pakistan, Muslim traders and peasants, they were enthusiastic about the Khilafat call. They also joined in the movement which was ongoing. Okay, so these were certain initiatives taken by the people. Clear?